Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn how we can redirect or forward our domain to another domain in GoDaddy. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I am already logged into one of my account in GoDaddy, and I want to redirect or forward this domain to this one. So what I have to do is I have to click on manage. The process is very simple. You have to keep watching the video till the end. So now what we have to do is click on manage DNS. So to save your time guys, I already open another tab because this one take a little bit time. So you will have this window after you click on manage DNS. So you have to scroll down. Here we have a section of forwarding. You can also forward to your subdomain from here, but we will in this video we will do to another domain. So you have to click on add, and here we have two variation, HTTP and HTTPS. So in my case I will select HTTPS, but if you guys have HTTP you can select the HTTP one. So I will copy only this portion of my domain. You guys have to also do the same, copy and paste it here. Here we have two forward type, one is permanent and one is temporary. I will suggest to permanent redirect. And also we have two other options, forward only and forward with masking. I will explain this with a simple diagram here. So in forward only, if we want to redirect this domain to this one, so in forward only the domain will be redirected to this one, and in the browser we will have the destination domain address like this in the browser. But in forward with masking, if we redirect this domain to the destination domain, we will have the source domain address in the browser. You can see, and this is the difference between forward with masking and forward only. I hope you guys understand this. So now when we are done with this, we will save. And now we will check if it's working or not. So as you can see guys, the domain in the start we have, it's now redirected to this one. Just wait, I have to reconfirm. Here we have this domain, we redirected to this one. So now if we check, you can see it's working now. So I hope guys you like this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumb and see you in the next video.